Sneezing, it's a peculiar everyday phenomenon, isn't it? So why do we sneeze? Here's the scoop. When irritants like dust, pollen, or pepper tickle the lining of our noses, it sends a signal to the sneeze center in our brains. This sneeze center then sends a message to tightly close your throat, eyes, and mouth. Next, your chest muscles contract, and then achoo. The sneeze is released, expelling the irritants at a speed of up to 100 miles per hour. Fascinating, right? But remember, always cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze to prevent spreading germs. And that, my friends, is the science behind a sneeze. Stay curious, keep questioning, and embrace the wonder of the everyday. Until next time.